She's talking in circles. I'm shaking the whole damn while. Slow motion heartbeat caught in my throat. I spell it out in my mind, but I can't get the words out. You're the love of my life. Can't breathe when you're near me. Every half-meant joke cuts deep, 'cause you don't hear me. I'm standing at your door, afraid to say much more, terrified you'll go. But you're the love of my life. Smoke from the sidewalks, laughs in the glass. You tell me your secrets about someone who broke your past. Hand on my chest now, playing it cool. You say I'm your safest place, then turn as I drown in the truth. The love of my life. Can't breathe when you're near me. Every half-meant joke cuts deep, 'cause you don't hear me. I'm standing at your door, afraid to say much more, terrified you'll go. But you're the love of my life. You say friend, and every hope pretends. You say us, but only till it ends. I walk beside you through cities of light. I'm screaming in silence, just one.